Data governance is more important than ever, especially if you're handling sensitive information. Today, I'll break down why SOX, ITGC, and SOC 2 Type 2 are crucial for effective data governance. First up, SOX, or the Sarbanes-Oxley Act. Enacted in 2002, SOX aims to prevent financial fraud and increase transparency in corporate financial reporting. It enforces strict standards for data handling, storage, and reporting, ensuring financial data is accurate and reliable. Think of SOX as the bedrock of financial integrity within your data governance framework. Next, let's talk about ITGC, or IT General Controls. These are the core controls that ensure reliable data systems. From access management to change management, ITGCs provide a framework of checks and balances that maintain data integrity. Essentially, ITGCs help you build secure data infrastructures, protecting against internal and external threats. Finally, SOC 2 Type 2. Unlike SOX and ITGC, which focus on internal processes, SOC 2 Type 2 extends compliance to third-party vendors. It's assessed based on trust services criteria like security and confidentiality, ensuring vendors manage data securely over time. This third-party validation helps reduce risks associated with vendor relationships. SOX, ITGC, and SOC 2 Type 2 work together to form a multi-layered approach to data governance. By integrating these frameworks, you can build a robust strategy that meets regulatory requirements and strengthens data integrity, security, and transparency. In today's data-driven world, adhering to these standards not only keeps you compliant, but also builds a foundation of trust. Effective data governance is essential for sustainable success, and these frameworks are the pillars upon which it stands. Thanks for watching.